I'm meteorologist Carley Gomez, tracking scattered showers across northern California Thursday afternoon and evening, and that is now leading to snow showers in the Sierra. Now, we did see some of those showers heavy at times. Again, as they were isolated, we did see some areas receive heavier rain. Meanwhile, other areas maybe just some sprinkles. Now, so far, we've seen just a little over a quarter of an inch in Oroville, but again, Marysville seeing 0. Now, we could have seen a little bit, like trace amounts, but maybe not about a tenth of an inch. It'd be way less than that. We're seeing a little over a tenth of an inch in Sacramento as well as Placerville. So again, this was very much hit and miss locations with those isolated and scattered showers this afternoon, evening. Now, into the overnight hours into Friday, we do anticipate seeing more Sierra snow showers with a weather impact alert day being issued through Friday night. We're looking at Sierra snow still continuing into the early morning hours of Friday, and then another push again by Friday afternoon. A winter weather advisory will last through the evening hours as roads will still be icy. Now, we are still going to continue with the isolated showers, especially for areas of the foothills. Now, most of this low pressure system has continued shifting toward the east, toward the foothills, toward the high Sierra spots late Thursday into Friday morning. That is putting less of that moisture into the valley and now leading to those isolated showers in the foothill spots and again toward the Sierra. Still a few thunderstorm chances could be possible at this point in time, but a 10 to 15% chance, especially in the early morning hours of Friday, and then most of that is gone as we'll see some more unstable weather conditions happening into the morning as that sun rises. We're looking at snowy and icy roadways as well for those Sierra spots. So again, please be safe if you had plans to head over toward the Sierra for Friday, trying to get a head start for the weekend. We're going to be looking at that need to check the roadways. All right, let's look at the winter weather advisory. Again, this is being issued until Friday 10 p.m. Although most of the showers should be exiting around 9 p.m. This will still be in place till 10. Again, because of the icy and snowy roadways there, we're looking at dangerous conditions. Now, for today, we did see some areas of flash flood watch and warning in effect for areas of the valley as we saw those isolated showers moving through. Now, this is in effect for the Park Fire, that burn scar area, only until 10 p.m. Thursday, but this has been issued because of Doppler radar showing those thunderstorms and those areas of showers moving over the region. So, of course, the concern there is potential mudslide, debris flows, anything associated with the fact that this area burns significantly over those summer months. Now, that will expire soon as all those showers have started exiting. But again, low pressure systems are really the culprit here as we continue to see that moving toward the east. We will see a high in place that moves in for the weekend, and we could see a slight chance Sunday night into Monday to maybe see a shower. But again, at this point, the high takes over for the weekend. We get mostly sunny skies, but some chillier temperatures beginning to move in as well. Let's track the showers out for you as we'll continue to see 9:30. Again, most of the showers move toward areas of those foothill spots and then start building up in the Sierra for the overnight hours. Now that we have the moisture in place and then now the colder temperatures, that can produce a lot more snow into the overnight early morning hours. And again, we haven't seen too much, just a couple of inches here and there. And with the scattered showers, that means some spots could be getting hit harder than others. So areas around Kirkwood, South Lake Tahoe may be seeing some more of that snow into early Friday morning, while areas around Donner will be missing out. But moving into the afternoon hours Friday, there's another bit of a turn. So you see the next round of showers coming through as that low circles and moves to the east. Going to wind right back around on the edge of the band there, bringing in those scattered showers and snow showers up high. Again, hit and miss locations across the Sierra will really be the determining factor here on how much snow we get. Is it going to be 1-2 inches or will be 2 to 5 inches? Again, we're going to have to wait and see exactly how that all pans out. It'll be exiting our region again closer to 8 p.m. Another small push near Kirkwood and just south of that toward Yosemite. Again, the winter weather advisory will still be in place even after most of this has exited the area. It'll be in place until 10 p.m. Then finally, the weekend, mostly sunny skies, a mix of sun and clouds, but much colder overnight lows. We'll be looking at those temperatures in those upper 30s. Now check out Sunday, 2:30. You are looking at our first shot at potential shower chances. These do look lighter because if you look at the northwest portion of the state, that is the heavier rain in place there. And it's still a little too far out to get a full grasp of what's going to happen here. But we may see a slight chance into Sunday evening to see some showers returning into early Monday morning. But by Monday into Tuesday, most of the daytime and daylight hours should be getting sunshine. So if you get a sprinkle here and there early on, that's pretty much the end of it. So we should start seeing more sunshine, but again, colder temperatures because of it. Now, rain totals as we start moving closer towards Saturday, we're only maybe seeing about a tenth to maybe a quarter of an inch more of rain. Not that much left over. Let's look at snowfall totals lasting into our Saturday early morning. Again, as I mentioned, depending on where exactly the isolated showers and snow showers land is going to be determining how much snow we're getting, especially in our overnight. So we could start getting as much as 5 inches according here to the global model, computer model, and maybe 3 inches at Bear Valley. The European model showing much lighter snow. And so far, the European model has been on track this season. We have been seeing a little bit on the more conservative side when it comes to snowfall totals. So I'd say at this point in time, it looks as though 2 to 3 inches is more likely to be the number that we see as this comes to an end by late Friday night. Let's take a look at our 10-day forecast over the next 3 days and through the weekend. Upper 50s expected, mostly sunny skies, but moving into next week, this is where we start seeing, again, those cold overnight lows continuing in the upper 30s to low 40s. We're just not getting a break from the cold temperatures as we start the transition from fall into the winter months. We can expect this to continue happening for us. So just start getting used to it, I suppose, as we continue with the cold temperatures. Mostly sunny skies, but by the following Saturday, this is our next best shot to maybe see some showers back into the forecast. But when we get the showers, notice that the overnight lows get a little bit warmer with all that cloud coverage overhead. We're starting to see the overnight lows bump up just a little bit more. Now, as we start moving on, we'll continue those temperatures in the upper 50s and low 60s.